Welcome. So today's project is all about, can we restore a chisel that is in extremely poor condition? And if you have a look on this table, the chisel with the 1-inch mark is the one we're going to have a look at restoring today. And as you can see in the image, this chisel is badly chipped. It's been damaged at the ends. It's got holes and it's been split. It really is in poor condition, and if it was any other wood other than boxwood, I probably would be throwing this out. After a very quick turn on the lathe, just to take the top coat off, we can have a better look at the condition underneath. And then continuing to improve and refine the chisel, we end up with this condition. I haven't taken it fully to a smooth piece of wood. I have left some depressions in the wood just to allow it to have a decent size handle, but it's now smooth and comfortable and usable as a chisel again. And now the handle's restored, it's time to decide which chisel to put into the handle. I've got two chisels here where the tang fits the hole, leaving a little bit of room still proud, just so that once I hammer it in, it will have some hold. And as I restore some of the other chisels I've got, I'll decide which of these two is the most appropriate for this one. And if you thought the condition of that last chisel was bad, well, with this chisel, it's going to be even worse. And we're going to take the same process where we take the top off the surface and see what condition the wood is like underneath. With this one, there's a bit of a split at the end where it's been damaged. So I'm going to fill this with some super glue, allow it to fill the crack and hold. And then again, once complete, the handle's looking in pretty good shape. It's smooth to the hold, it looks in decent condition, it looks still like it's an old chisel. And pretty much what I was looking for. So again, with this chisel, I've got two options. Either of these would fit the handle. So again, I'll make the decision once I've compared all of the handles with all of the chisels I've got and make the best use of the materials. So leave me a comment. What do you think? Was it worth the time to repair these chisel handles? In a second, I'll show you the completed handles. Now they're all complete, here's the decisions I've made. The two chisels in the centre are the ones where I've restored the handles, and I've decided to keep the firmer chisels in these, and it provides a full set of firmer chisels with boxwood handles. So now you've seen the condition these are in, I'll put up a picture of the before, just so you can get a good idea of what condition they were in prior to starting the work. So I hope you've enjoyed this project, but what's left for me is to sharpen these chisels next, which I'm not going to show here, but I may do in the future.